Hi everyone, my name is Courtney Winju, and for those of you I haven't met yet in other classes, it's nice to virtually meet you. I am currently professionally working in finance, which does not relate to social work, but it does relate to helping people, which is at my core's essence what I like to do in this world. My undergraduate degree was in behavioral neuroscience and leadership. I've always known that I wanted to help people in some way, shape, or form. I have considered industrial psychology, organizational leadership. I've considered clinical counseling, and then what finally brought me to social work is just the holistic approach it takes to considering an individual and all the ways an individual is impacted within the world, and can not only impacted but connected to their family, their community, our global world, which is a good segue into this class and what interests me the most. Candidly, I looked at our reading list and I was like, whoa, that feels like a lot for this week because reading is not a strong point of mine. That said, having a further look at the syllabus, I really look forward to learning more about social welfare and policy. That's not like the legal consideration of anything is not ever where my mind goes. I don't really have that innate consideration. And so that's something I look forward to learning more about specifically. What I've enjoyed in other classes, I really enjoyed our first course where we got to talk about emotional intelligence, nonviolent communication, like psychosocial models, and different just frameworks used within the realm of social work. As someone who is an aspiring therapist, all of those things interest me. Knowing that I particularly want to work one-on-one with individuals. In addition to working in finance, I also work as a behavioral therapist part-time, supporting kiddos with their behavioral support and academic needs. And then also I teach yoga. I've taught yoga for the last 5 years. And I am also working on launching my business right now, which is an embodied wellness business. And it's been a dream in the making for the last couple years. So I'm excited to launch that and just get things going and continue to add my credentials along the way. All right. Look forward to meeting you all.